Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to see how to earn money in Coinbase Wallet. First thing first, Coinbase Wallet lets you stake your crypto and earn rewards up to 14% APY depending on the asset. Staking means you lock your crypto to help secure blockchain network and in return earn passive income. Firstly, open the Coinbase app or Coinbase Wallet and log in with your account details. Go to the Earn section and you'll see a list of supported coins with their estimated reward rates, which is the APY, like Ethereum with 1.86% APY, Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, Polkadot, and Cosmos. Just tap the coin you want to stake and select Stake. Enter the amount you'd like to stake, then review the estimated APY in terms, then tap Confirm. Your crypto now will generate rewards automatically. Rewards are paid in the same coin you staked and are often restaked automatically to compound earnings. You can request to unstake your asset at any time. Just note that unstaking may take a few minutes to several weeks depending on the coin. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.